Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. If you're looking for a reliable dashcam in 2026 that can record clear footage, protect your car 24/7, and offer premium features at a budget price, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be reviewing the top 5 best dashcams on AliExpress 2026, covering their key features, real-world performance, pros, cons, and which one is best for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AZDOME Dashcam M300S 4K plus 1080p dual camera. The AZDOME M300S is a premium dual-channel dashcam featuring 4K front recording and 1080p rear recording. It includes built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, ADAS safety features, and 24-hour parking monitoring. This dashcam delivers excellent video quality, especially during daylight. The GPS tracking records speed and route data, while ADAS provides lane departure and collision warnings. Night vision performance is strong, making it ideal for city and highway driving. Pros: 4K front plus 1080p rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, ADAS safety features, 24H parking monitoring. A solid choice for drivers who want high-resolution recording with advanced safety features. Number 2. KAWA D11 Front and Rear Dashcam, Sony StarVis Sensor and AI ISP technology. The KAWA D11 is a 4K dual dashcam powered by a Sony StarVis sensor and AI ISP technology. It supports Wi-Fi, GPS, and advanced color night vision. This camera stands out for its excellent low-light performance. The Sony StarVis sensor captures clearer details at night compared to most competitors. The AI-powered image processing enhances color accuracy and reduces noise. Pros: Sony StarVis sensor, excellent color night vision, 4K recording quality, Wi-Fi and GPS support, stable mobile app. Best option for users who prioritize nighttime video clarity and image quality. Number 3. WOLFBOX G930 10-inch mirror dashcam. The WOLFBOX G930 is a 10-inch touchscreen mirror dashcam with 4K front recording, Wi-Fi connectivity, and 24-hour parking surveillance. This model replaces your rear-view mirror with a smart display. The wide 140-degree field of view ensures broad road coverage. The touchscreen is responsive and installation is straightforward. Pros: large 10-inch touch display, mirror-style design, 4K front camera, wide field of view, easy operation. Perfect for drivers who want a modern mirror dashcam with a large display. Number 4. A8 4C Dashcam, 11.26-inch rear-view mirror with 4 cameras. The A8 is a 4-channel dashcam system featuring 4 cameras and 11.26-inch rear-view mirror display, Wi-Fi, ADAS, BSD, and full 24-hour parking monitoring. This dashcam offers complete vehicle coverage, including front, rear, and side views. It's especially useful for large vehicles or professional drivers. ADAS and blind spot detection add extra safety. Pros: 4-channel full vehicle recording, large 11.26-inch mirror screen, ADAS and BSD detection, strong parking surveillance, ideal for taxis and SUVs. Best for users who want maximum security and full-angle recording. Number 5. 4K 4-channel rear-view mirror dashcam budget option. This is a 4-channel dashcam system with 4K front recording, Wi-Fi app control, ADAS, BSD, and mirror-style display at a more affordable price. Despite its lower cost, this model offers impressive features like multi-camera recording and parking monitoring. Video quality is decent, though not as sharp as premium models. Pros: affordable 4-channel system, 4K front camera, ADAS and BSD support, Wi-Fi app control, good value for money. A great budget-friendly 4-channel 4K mirror dashcam for everyday users. If you want the best overall performance, go with the AZDOME M300S. For night driving and image quality, the KAWA D11 is the best choice. If you prefer a large mirror display, the WOLFBOX G930 stands out. For full vehicle coverage, the A8 4C dashcam is ideal. And for budget buyers, the 4K 4-channel mirror dashcam offers excellent value. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which dashcam you prefer.